Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down the Xbox and unplugging every cable. This prevents shorts and preserves data. Once unplugged, wait a few seconds, then move to a static-free work area. You should have a Phillips #1 and Torx T8 driver. These let you remove the case screws without stripping them. Also prepare the replacement SSD and a USB drive for system transfer. Make sure you know whether your new drive is NVMe or SATA, so you have the right adapter before opening the console. You now remove the top cover screws and gently lift the shell off. Do not force clips. Once open, locate the internal drive bay and document screw locations and thermal pad orientation. This matters for cooling and fit. Unscrew and disconnect the old drive, keeping screws organized. Install the new SSD in the same orientation, press the connector firmly, and reapply the thermal pad exactly where it was. Finally, fasten mounting screws to manufacturer torque feel, and get ready to close the case. You reconnect power and HDMI, then boot the Xbox to the USB recovery installer and follow on-screen prompts to reinstall the system. Once done, restore games from the cloud or your external backup and confirm the new drive is formatted and registered. If the console fails to boot, make sure the drive sits fully in the connector and reseat it. Check the power connector and try the original drive to isolate hardware faults. If problems persist, note any error codes and retry the recovery process calmly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.